Hey, this is Chad Warren. Welcome to my networking show and tell. I wanted to share with you something that's working for me that I've tested out for quite a while in hopes that it might help you. What this is I don't know if you shop Kroger or they have a whole different family of stores, Smith's, Ralph's, Baker's, QFC, Fry's, Fred Meyer's, City Market, King, any of that stuff. But they have the iWireless right there. And that exists outside of Kroger, but it works with Kroger. I do use the Kroger card, to save money. And I mean, I hate to be promoting some big corporation or something, but if you're already shopping there, may as well save some bucks. And I just have enjoyed taking the time. I've never fooled with coupons or anything before this year, but you get more savings for this is prepaid wireless, and this is using the Sprint network. And I'll go ahead and show you a actual speed test result here. Okay, I just did this with the phone, so back it up there. You're seeing the numbers. Zoom in a little bit there. Looking like 7.81 up, 2.90 megabits per second down, 85 millisecond ping. So, and this is right here in Hillcrest, Little Rock, pretty close to the center of town. And I basically don't have any issues with using the phone. And with any service, you're going to have service issues on different locations, so it may differ for where you're at. But driving out to Bryant and here, Hot Springs works fine. So I get these texts after I shop, and it tells me I save $1. So I wanted to show you here on the screen. I've saved. This says I've been awarded $58 in rewards, and I'm paying $35 for unlimited talk, text, and data. Okay, and well, actually, I tell you, that is up to 500 megabits, and then it throttles. And so I'm actually paying the 50, and you're getting 2 gigs before it throttles. Slows down is what that means. So, yeah, and look, they got new promotions. See, if you refill your card at their new marketplace, you get 2 times. Airtime earns 2 times the fuel points. Okay, so if you're saving money by buying the fuel and you buy the air card, you get 2 times. And if you buy it at this online marketplace at Kroger.com/reload my phone, you're going to get 4 times when you sign up for auto refill. And let's look here. And then if you sign somebody up, you get a little $5 credit. That's nice. And that's over here at KrogerIWireless.com/refer a friend. And then just in general, using the Kroger value, Kroger Plus loyalty card, it's showing here that just since January, saved $111. And then that's a whole world in itself. You get additional coupons on your from the website through the Plus, and filling out surveys on your receipts, that'll get you points too. And you can use these both ways for fuel and for airtime on your phone once you link it to the card. Once you link it to your phone. And if you use a debit card, you can use the Visa Kroger card and you get even more points. So it's just pretty wild what you can do if you're already spending that money. Sounds like a good thing. Just wanted to share that with you. Why don't you share with me what is working for you in terms of saving money, in terms of making money, and what's helping you be happier. Just show and tell what you think. Chad, we appreciate you.